Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. For today's unboxing guys, I have this very cool Livho 2-pack blue light blocking glasses, and of course these are comfort based glasses. They're not medicated, meaning that they're intended for those who want to use their computers like laptop or even phones, right? And of course your eyes are being affected by the blue light that is emitted from most displays. Now of course this is especially the case at night. Whenever you try to use your phone or use your laptop, your eyes become strained, or of course it affects or interrupts your sleep. You can pick up a pair of these on Amazon. They're usually under 20 bucks, and basically what you can do is guys, you can pick up a pair of these. They're quite affordable. This pack comes with two inside, and you can actually put these on. As I said, they're not medicated, meaning they won't affect your eyes. They'll help with your vision, and of course your phone won't interfere with your sleep, or you won't get as much eye strains if you use these. It's a good to have these around the house, especially if you spend a lot of time on your computers, especially nowadays that we are spending a lot more time on our computers. You'll find that eye strain will increase, and it can end up hurting your eyes or damaging your eyes over time. So it's recommended that you pick up a pair of these. You can pick up these on Amazon. This is an Amazon's choice product, and of course this should include a clear and black version. As I said, it prevents eye strain. It also helps with UV glare. Like outside, you can actually wear these for UV glare if you do gaming, and of course your phone, TV, you name it. It will help to reduce eye strain or glare. Now, of course, you can see on the box it says Livho, to see to be seen, and of course, nice presentation. You can see it says your eyes come first, meaning it will help to protect your eyes. Also prevent devices from messing with your sleep. It's made in China. And of course you can see the back of the product here, basically a repeat of the information. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open these up. Again guys, if you're interested in this particular product, you can actually pick it up below. I'll make sure to put a link to it over on Amazon. I'll have the full review as well over on my website. And guys, as you see here, it comes with this. I'm not sure what this actually is. Might be a tool. I'm gonna put this aside. Next we're gonna retrieve the glasses, and as we said guys, it comes with two, and not bad, so I see here. All right, so it comes with a pair of cleaning cloth, very nice. Here we have what seems to be a LED. All right, so this is a blue light LED, most likely to test. All right, and there's a tool here, and we do get this cool card, which is nice. It says anti-Blu-ray testing card, FDA and CE testing area, and of course it says miracle in your eyes, and of course great product presentation so far. So it identifies what product it is. It's anti-Blu-ray, it's anti-radiation, and high definition miracles in your eyes. All right, so quite nice presentation so far, like this. So as you can see again. All right, so I'll put this aside. I'm gonna retrieve both glasses. There you go guys, as you can see here, this is the clear version. All right, so I'm gonna put this over here. This is the darker version. So we have two pairs. All right, so this is the darker one, nice as well. So as you can see here, you do get those two. You get the card, you do get the cleaning cloth, and a tool. Not sure what this is for. And of course we do get the blue light emitting LED light. All right, so quite nice so far. All right, so let's check this out guys. So if I'm predicting this right, this would be a normal lens. We're gonna go with the clear, and as you can see here, right away guys, I can say it has a slight brown tinge, similar to when you would turn on the Eyestrain feature on your phone, or the eye comfort shield on your device or on your computer. Now of course we're going to test this out by turning on the blue light. So as you can see, this is a this is a blue light. Check this out guys. So blue light, I'm going to do it behind. As you can see, it changes the blue light to white light. Looking at it here, it basically turns this to a normal looking white light. but as you can see here, it's actually blue. So if I look at it, I'm seeing more blue. If I look at it through here, it looks kind of white. I'm not sure if I'm interpreting this right, but it looks more blue. Through here, it looks more white. So it does block the light or the blue light and makes it, blue light doesn't travel through. All right, we're going to try the same thing again here. All right, so I'm going to open up. And as you can see here, you can see the preview. I'm trying to show you what the desk look like. Look at those colors. That's green, green, what, green, white, white. You see the same here. As you can see over my plants, you can see the same here. So colors shine through except blue. So look again, guys. Sorry. So there's looking blue to me. I don't know, maybe the display or the color scheme on your monitor will change it, but looking through here, I'm seeing more white and less blue. So blue, and then I'm seeing kind of white. The glasses does block the light. All right, you can probably try in reverse. Don't know if that makes a difference. There you go. Basically the same. All right, so far so good. So these so far are very nice. They come highly rated on Amazon. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. So first of all, I just want to say thumbs up for the choice of a black and the clear. So that's two options. And of course, great that it included the cleaning cloth. And this tool, not sure what it is. Maybe it's an adjustment tool. Not sure what it is exactly. Seems to be adjustable. Not sure. And of course, it comes with a nice card, great presentation, solid packaging. Overall, I give this on first impression 4.5 stars. So far, it's quite good. For long-term reviews, I'll have the full review, the description over on the website, so you can actually check that out, guys. So far, I'm loving the product. And of course, I think right off first impressions that I recommend it. If I've changed my opinion, I'll actually add it in the description, a note, and of course over on the website. So far so good, guys. So I highly recommend that you check this out for yourself. Great product from Livho. And of course, in case you're in the market for a pair of comfortable glasses, I suggest that you check this out for yourself. So far so good. All right, guys. So thank you again for tuning in. As always, guys, Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.